Hi everyone, welcome to Mommy and Me Time. This summer we're learning all about our human body. Last week we did the respiratory system and this week the digestive system. Okay, so today we're going to learn about what is the process that the food has to go through in order to be digested in our bodies. Okay, so what do we need? Okay, let's read a knife. We need vinegar and containers for lemon, vinegar, and lime.
We need a banana.
You need a banana and some sort of crackers.
And we eat that. And we need a stretchy thing. I don't know.
Yes, that is a sock or a pantyhose. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut
I'll get
our lemon. Do you want to cut the lime? Okay, so squeeze the lime into this cup. Okay, there you go. You got it? Do you need help? Okay, and now Miss Luana is going to be in charge of the stomach acid, okay? The stomach acid is going to be lemons. Okay, Miss Luana, can you help me squish it? There you go. One. Okay, squish it hard. Push it. There you go. Nice. And here comes the vial. The first thing that the digestive system has to do to process our food is put the food in our mouth. So basically, we put this in our mouth. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the banana and we are going to put this banana inside the bag. Do you want to put the other banana inside? You got to take the peeling off. Luana, can you please put some crackers in here? Do 2 crackers. 2. Just like grab 2 crackers. And then put them in here. Okay, now what happens when you put the food in your mouth, Lucy? What do? You have to chew it. So what we're going to do with our fingers is we're going to crash it like if this was our teeth. So we're going to crash it. We're going to add 2 more crackers because if you see, this is very liquidy already. So let's add 2 more crackers, okay? 1 and 2. Now the second step that happens in your mouth is your salivary glands produce saliva to liquefy the food. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some water, which represents the saliva in our mouth. There you go, that's good. And we're going to soften up, that was a lot of saliva, Luana. We're going to soften up our food. Once that has happened, the food goes into your esophagus. The esophagus is basically right located between your throat and your stomach. So once it's located into our stomach, there's going to be 2 things that happen. Okay, our liver is going to grab bile from our gallbladder. Okay, our gallbladder is what stores that liquid that is in our digestive system. And you're going to put it into here. And again, this is going to help break down all of the toxins that is in the food so that whenever we ingest all of the food, we're only getting the nutrients, the minerals, and the vitamins. Then we get the stomach acid mixed into it. So here's the stomach acid.
I'll put it in.
And there you go. And again, it's been poured into this nasty, liquidy thing. Okay. And lastly, we have the pancreas. Okay. And the pancreas also has a digestive juice that basically helps break down the food more. This right here is our small intestine. Okay. This container right here is our body. So all of the liquids and all the vitamins and everything that is going to be left in this container is going to be all of the nutrients that our body has taken from the food. You need to stand back? We're going to pour it into this container first. It actually smells really nasty, guys. This already smells super, super nasty. Okay. Okay, are you ready? So we're gonna put this food. Now I know why they said to use rubber gloves, okay? So we're gonna put it into this thing here. This is the stomach, putting all of the food into our small intestine. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slowly move all of the food down. Okay, and do you see how it's getting all of the liquids out? Lucy, you wanna help me squish or no? It smells pretty strong. Once we don't have any more of that thick liquid coming out, then we're gonna put it into our large intestine. So do you see this? This is what was left in our small intestine, and we're gonna bring this and put it into our large intestine. Okay, beautiful.
Let me see, Lucy. Can you put it in? Oh, look at this. Large intestine. Oh, look at that.
Okay? Now the large intestine is again going to digest the remaining part of our food, and then it's going to go into our rectum, okay? And now this is our rectum, okay? After it goes into our large intestine, it goes into a rectum, which is right here, which is where we end up getting rid of all of the things that our body did not like. So what we're gonna do is I am going to put a paper towel in here. Our rectum basically stores all of the remaining food, which is basically poop, until it's completely full, and then it sends a signal into our brain saying it's time to go to the toilet. And so this is what happens, okay? You ready, Lucy? Did you see that? Ugh.
What is that?
Did you see that, Lucy? It's poop.
What is it?
Did you see that, Luana?
What is it? What is it, Lucy? Really?
Yeah. And that's what happens to the food. It goes into your mouth, and it's a banana and a cracker, and it goes in the toilet, and it's
Poop.
Okay, can you say bye? Say bye, everyone. Have a fun time with your mommy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Luana.